Something interesting just happened at Toyota. And if you're a truck fan, especially if you've ever wondered why certain Toyota trucks get features that others don't, this story might surprise you. Toyota has brought the Hilux back to its home market in Japan. But that's not the biggest news. The real story is what buyers can now order directly from the factory. We're talking about off-road upgrades, performance enhancements, aggressive Gazoo Racing parts, adventure-ready equipment, and styling packages that completely change the truck's personality. But here's the part that Tacoma fans may find especially interesting. One of these upgrades isn't about appearance at all. It's a hidden engineering change that promises to make the truck feel more refined, more solid, and more capable, both on and off the road. We'll explain exactly what it is in a moment. We'll also look at why Toyota is still betting on a diesel engine, while many manufacturers are moving toward hybrids and electrification. And finally, we'll reveal why this Japanese market Hilux may actually represent something bigger about Toyota's future truck strategy. Let's dive in. The Hilux returns home. The Toyota Hilux hardly needs an introduction. For decades, it has earned a reputation as one of the toughest pickup trucks on the planet. Whether it's crossing deserts, working on farms, serving in remote regions, or handling daily transportation duties, the Hilux has built a global following based on one simple idea. It just keeps going. That's why Toyota's decision to relaunch the latest Hilux in Japan is significant. Many people forget that while the Hilux is sold across much of the world, it hasn't always had a major presence in its home country. Now Toyota is bringing it back with a fresh focus and an impressive list of factory-supported upgrades. In Japan, buyers get the 9th generation Hilux exclusively in dual-cab four-wheel drive form. There are two versions available: the standard Hilux Z and the more rugged Hilux Z Adventure. At first glance, this might sound like a fairly simple lineup, but Toyota's accessory catalogs tell a completely different story. Because depending on how buyers configure their truck, they can create something that feels luxurious, sporty, adventurous, or somewhere in between. And that's where things get interesting. Toyota's two very different personalities. One of the smartest things Toyota has done with the Japanese Hilux is give buyers two completely different customization paths. Think of it like choosing between two different personalities. The first comes from Modellista. The second comes from Gazoo Racing. And they couldn't be more different. Let's start with Modellista. Many enthusiasts outside Japan aren't familiar with Modellista, but within Toyota circles, it's a respected name. You can think of Modellista as Toyota's premium styling division. Instead of focusing on racing-inspired performance, Modellista emphasizes elegance, sophistication, and urban style. For Hilux buyers, that means black exterior accents, LED bumper enhancements, protective skid elements, and distinctive 18-inch alloy wheels finished in matte olive. The result is a truck that looks more upscale and modern. It's still rugged, it's still capable, but it feels tailored for someone who wants their truck to stand out in the city just as much as on a dirt road. Toyota also includes practical accessories through the Modellista catalog. Things like tonneau covers, window tinting, sunshades, and protective door accessories. These may seem small, but they're exactly the kinds of upgrades many truck owners end up purchasing after delivery. Toyota simply allows buyers to integrate them from day one. Then there's perhaps the strangest item in the catalog: a Modellista tote bag. But this isn't an ordinary tote bag. Toyota designed it so it can also function as a seat cushion. It's unusual, it's unexpected, and it's exactly the kind of uniquely Japanese accessory that catches attention. But if Modellista represents sophistication, Gazoo Racing represents something entirely different. The sportier GR Parts package. Gazoo Racing has become one of Toyota's most influential brands. Over the last decade, GR has transformed from a motorsports division into a symbol of performance across the company's lineup. And now that influence is extending into the Hilux. The GR Parts catalog immediately gives the truck a more aggressive appearance. Buyers can add a black honeycomb grille. There are aerodynamic window visors, special mud flaps featuring GR branding, and twin stainless steel exhaust finishers. Each individual upgrade may seem modest, but together they dramatically change the truck's appearance. The Hilux suddenly looks more athletic, more purposeful, more performance-oriented. What's especially interesting is what Toyota hasn't announced. At least for now, there is no full Hilux GR Sport model for Japan. That means these GR accessories effectively allow buyers to create their own version of a sport-inspired Hilux. And for many customers, that flexibility may actually be preferable. Instead of forcing everyone into one package, Toyota allows owners to customize the truck according to their own preferences. But the most important GR upgrades aren't the ones you can easily see. They're hiding underneath the body. And they may be the most fascinating part of the entire story. The hidden upgrades most people will miss. Here's the upgrade we hinted at earlier. The one many casual observers might overlook. Toyota's GR Parts catalog includes performance dampers and reinforced door stabilizers. At first glance, these don't sound exciting. They're certainly not as visually dramatic as a grille or a set of wheels. But from an engineering perspective, they're incredibly interesting. Performance dampers are designed to reduce unwanted vibrations throughout the vehicle. Every truck experiences vibrations, from rough roads, from chassis movement, from suspension activity, from body flex. The challenge is controlling those movements without making the vehicle feel harsh. Toyota's solution aims to improve refinement while maintaining capability. Meanwhile, the reinforced door stabilizers help increase structural rigidity. That means the truck body can feel more solid and more connected during driving. Steering response can improve, road feel can become more consistent, and overall refinement can benefit. These aren't modifications aimed at generating headlines. They're aimed at enhancing the ownership experience. And that's why they're so important. Anyone can bolt on flashy accessories. Improving how a truck feels requires genuine engineering. This approach suggests Toyota understands that modern truck buyers increasingly want both capability and comfort. They don't want to sacrifice one for the other. They want a vehicle that can handle rough terrain while remaining pleasant during daily driving. These upgrades are designed to help accomplish exactly that. The Adventure Starter Set. Not every Hilux owner wants sporty styling. Not every buyer cares about premium urban aesthetics. Some people simply want adventure. Toyota understands that too. That's why it created what's called the Adventure Starter Set, and the name is actually quite fitting. The package includes a bed liner to protect the cargo area, roof crossbars for carrying additional gear, tailgate dampers for smoother operation, and upgraded badging that reinforces the truck's rugged image. Individually, these items are practical. Collectively, they transform the Hilux into a more capable adventure vehicle. Think about how many truck owners use their vehicles today. Camping trips, mountain biking, fishing excursions, overlanding adventures, weekend getaways. The modern pickup truck has evolved far beyond its original work-focused mission. It's become a lifestyle vehicle. Toyota's accessory strategy clearly reflects that reality. Instead of selling a one-size-fits-all truck, Toyota allows buyers to tailor the Hilux around their specific lifestyle. And that's one reason the Hilux remains so successful globally. It's adaptable. The diesel engine that refuses to disappear. Now let's talk about the engine, because this may be the most controversial aspect of the Japanese Hilux. While many automakers are moving toward hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and fully electric vehicles, Toyota is still offering the Hilux in Japan with a diesel engine. And only a diesel engine. Under the hood sits Toyota's well-known 1GD 2.8-liter turbo diesel. It produces 201 horsepower and 367 pound-feet of torque. Power goes through a 6-speed automatic transmission. On paper, some people might focus on the horsepower figure, but truck buyers know torque tells a more important story. That 367 pound-feet arrives exactly where a truck needs it. For towing, for hauling, for climbing steep terrain, for carrying heavy loads. And perhaps most importantly, this engine has something that many newer powertrains are still working to establish: a proven reputation. Around the world, the 2.8-liter diesel has built a track record for durability and dependability. For many Hilux buyers, that's worth more than impressive specification sheet numbers. Toyota's decision to continue offering this engine suggests the company understands its customer base. These buyers prioritize reliability, they prioritize capability, and they prioritize proven technology. What Tacoma fans may be thinking. At this point, some viewers may be asking a simple question. Why doesn't the Tacoma get all of this? It's a fair question. After all, the Hilux and Tacoma occupy similar positions within Toyota's global truck family. Yet the Japanese Hilux receives an extensive menu of factory-supported accessories that many Tacoma enthusiasts would likely appreciate. The answer comes down to market differences. Every region has unique customer preferences, different regulations, different buyer expectations, different product strategies. Toyota tailors each truck accordingly. However, there is an important lesson here. The Hilux demonstrates how much demand exists for factory-backed personalization. Truck buyers increasingly want the ability to customize their vehicles while maintaining factory quality, warranty support, and dealer installation. Toyota appears to recognize that trend, and if the strategy proves successful in Japan, it could influence future accessory programs elsewhere. That possibility is what makes this launch particularly interesting. It's not just about Japan, it's about understanding where Toyota's truck strategy may be headed. Value and pricing. The pricing structure is surprisingly competitive. The Hilux Z starts at approximately 4.98 million yen. That's roughly $31,250. The Z Adventure starts at about 5.5 million yen, around $34,500. Considering the vehicle's reputation, four-wheel drive capability, diesel powertrain, and available accessories, many buyers will likely view that pricing as reasonable. Of course, once accessories are added, the final cost can climb significantly. But that's also part of the appeal. Customers aren't paying for features they don't want. Instead, they can build the truck that best matches their needs. Some will choose luxury, some will choose sportiness, some will choose adventure. Toyota simply provides the building blocks. Conclusion: the bigger reveal. So what was the hidden story behind Toyota's Hilux relaunch? It wasn't just the accessories, it wasn't just the diesel engine, and it wasn't even the return of the truck to Japan. The real story is that Toyota appears to be redefining what a factory-built pickup can be. Instead of offering a handful of fixed trim levels, Toyota is creating a platform that buyers can personalize from day one. Want a premium urban truck? There's a package for that. Want a sportier truck inspired by Gazoo Racing? There's a package for that. Want an adventure-ready machine prepared for weekends outdoors? There's a package for that too. And perhaps the most impressive part is that Toyota didn't focus solely on appearance. Some of the most meaningful upgrades are hidden beneath the surface, improving refinement, rigidity, and overall driving feel. That's the surprising detail we hinted at in the beginning. The most important upgrades may actually be the ones you don't immediately notice. For Tacoma fans, the Hilux serves as an intriguing glimpse into what factory-backed customization can look like when Toyota fully embraces it. And for Hilux buyers in Japan, it means getting one of the world's most respected pickup trucks with more ways than ever to make it their own. Sometimes the biggest upgrade isn't a new engine or a radical redesign. Sometimes it's simply giving customers more freedom to build the truck they really want.